Hi. Welcome to my channel. How are you guys? Today, we're going to turn a chicken into an amazing Marvel superhero. Guess what the character will be like? It will definitely be amazing and very interesting. So, don't go anywhere, keep watching this video. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and activate the bell, so you don't miss our latest video. Let's go! Iron Man. Transformers. Thanos. Deadpool. Captain America. Thor. Hulk.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to continue to follow this channel by like, comment and subscribe, and turning on the bell, so you don't miss our latest video updates. Thank you. See you next video.